So now that I've made $16,000 from Amazon Influencers video program, I could easily say that this is the best opportunity on the planet Earth. But let's actually back up a little and let me tell you all the details about this program, who is Amazon Influencers program for, who can qualify, and etc. And obviously I will show you how it works too. This program is for somebody that has influence online, aka some following. Now Amazon doesn't specifically say how much following you have to have, or subscribers and etc. However, for sure you have to have some viewers, whether it's on YouTube, and that's how I qualified, or TikTok, Instagram, and etc. Now I would say if you have over 1,000 followers or subscribers, probably little more like 2,000 or 3,000 is even better, especially if you have some views on your videos, then you can try to apply. Obviously you will have to fill up the application, and Amazon will ask you how did you hear about the program, also what kind of videos you're making, what's your niche, what your channel is about, and etc. and some other info. Now if your application gets approved, you will have the access to your storefront, and you can design the banner for the storefront and etc. and then you can upload your first 3 videos for approval, obviously following all the guidelines, and these are review videos. And once Amazon approves these videos will be available in your storefront, and then usually within few business days, if everything is good, Amazon will unlock on-site commissions, and this is exactly how you make the revenue, because technically you will be able to put the videos in your storefront, and these videos could be featured in Amazon shopping pages. So if the potential customer is looking for something to buy, they will type the product, and then a lot of shoppers will scroll down to see the video reviews, and then potentially they can find your video. Of course, to earn the commission, the person would have to buy the product, or at least buy similar product in exact same category after watching your video. So that's why this is such a great opportunity, because you don't have to promote it anywhere, you don't have to technically promote any links. Obviously, you can do that additionally by showing your storefront to your audience, but it's definitely not required to make the commission or referral fee, if you will, because Amazon places your videos directly in the front of customers, at least some of the videos. So that's why I like this program, and that's exactly how I make the revenue. On average is $12,000 a month. Obviously I didn't start that way. My first month was $48, then the following month was $600 because I posted some more videos, and the great thing about it is I already had Amazon products, so I didn't even have to buy anything extra, and I was able to start this journey that way. And like I said, last month was $16,000, which is crazy to me. So the types of reviews you can do is, for example, I do full reviews, but you can also do unboxing videos, how you use the product only videos, or even comparison videos and etc. Now if you're good with live streaming, there is additional feature that you can unlock, so you can actually live stream on this platform, and you can show multiple products in the same live stream, and you have a carousel of the products under your live stream, so the shoppers will know what product you're talking about, because you will be highlighted, and then they can just buy it too. Obviously if they buy it from your live stream, you earn commissions too, and the commissions vary. They can go from 1%. My average is about 2.5% commission, but that's because I have products in many different categories, but the commissions can go way higher too. Additionally, you can make shoppable photos, so you can just make pictures of the products, post them also to the storefront, and then potentially Amazon can show these pictures, earning you commission if they do so. So this program is definitely worth trying. I didn't even expect it's gonna bring me that far financially. Now I spent some additional money to buy extra products to review. However, I started it completely free without investing $1 for first 2 months at least. So I can honestly say this is the best program I've ever joined. And once you get the grip of it and start to uploading videos, I'm pretty sure your revenue will grow too. So thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos in the same topic, click one of them on the screen, and maybe I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.